Hey everybody, it's been a while since I've done a car model video, but today is a different day. I'm getting pretty close to getting the 57 Chevy done. Um, there's a lot of work on these bodies to get them to look right. If you get a really good looking one, it took a lot of work, a lot of detail work. There is quite a few little flaws in mine. I'm not going to point them all out, but it's not perfect, that's for sure. It still looks good. I'm not going to rag on it. But when you do see somebody that gets a good 57 Chevy model that looks good, they deserve the credit, that's for sure, because it's a lot of work that goes into these. A lot of chrome, a lot of bare metal foil, a lot of little pieces here and there, a lot of trim to make it look right. So my hood right now does not want to sit just perfectly with that chrome piece, and I don't think I'll be able to fix it. The gold top, I'd kind of like enamel painted the Bel Air, kind of like a dry brush almost. Got the few decals that it has on there. They came with decals for that, but they didn't even match. And it ain't like you can sand that smooth, so I just hand painted it. Did a wash and a grill. I still got to do the lights and the little bumpers and the lenses. So it still needs wipers and everything. Still needs a lot of work, but it's almost there. The handles need to go on. I'm going to do that pretty much last. All the glass is on, so technically I could put the body or the interior in, but I'm not done with that yet. Very close. I did flock the interior, as you can see. Got a nice carpet in there. I went with the two-tone brown. It's not traditional style for this car with the scheme that it's going in, but that is what it is. I used the seat decals that came with the kit. I gave it a nice upholstery look. So there's that. You gotta make sure you paint the center because that is visible at the end. So here is the chassis. Has some weathering. I think most of it was on here last video, but I did do the exhaust. I should have put the exhaust on before I put the suspension in, because I had to pretty much push it right through that pretty hard. But I did some weathering and make it look like real exhaust. And got the big brakes in there. They were in there last video. But even at this stage, I think I got probably over 30 parts that still need to be done. I have to paint these. I'm going to paint them by hand. I did my spark plug wires. Got a lot of wire on there I don't need, but got my real generic distributor cap. They ain't gonna tell. Got to paint that and glue that in, and then the coil. Got to paint that and glue that on. Got the headers. All that. That piece still needs to go on. Need a little detailing on that. And surprisingly, I still have all those. And then all these. Yeah, still a lot of parts to this kit. And there's still a lot of parts in the box that's left over. I don't know what kit this one is shared with, but there's a lot of copy pieces depending on what style of wheels you pick, the custom or the stock. And when a kit comes with those big wheels like that, hell, you might as well do it. Make it look like a nice street rod. So I think maybe in a week this one will be done. Maybe it'll be sooner, but I got a lot done the other day on it. Pretty happy with it. But like I said, it's not perfect. I don't build perfect models. I just enjoy the process. So hopefully you guys are enjoying my my trip videos. I know that's not really what this channel is about, but you know, it kind of serves as two purposes. If it's on the internet, I can share it with my friends and that, and I also can share it with you guys. And if something happens to my computer, I don't completely lose all my videos. So hopefully you guys swing by and watch those and enjoy them. I have a couple more videos yet to do. And until next time, I hope you guys have a great one. I'll talk to you then.